Are you a Christian who participates on a regular basis in the Lord's Supper? Maybe you've been taking the Lord's Supper for a long time and have wondered that maybe you could do better in approaching the Lord's table. My name is Professor Christopher Lensch, and at the 2025 Tabor Lectures of Western Reformed Seminary, I will be addressing the topic of Jesus' command to observe the Lord's Supper until he comes. The Lord's Supper is one of the true marks of the church. Would it surprise you to know that in the Lord's Supper, God is saying more to us than we are saying to him? Well, there are many dimensions to the Lord's Supper, and I hope that you'll be able to join us at the Tabor Lectures in order to find and learn more about the marks of a true church.
For more information about the seminary, visit wrs.edu.